Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the evolution of the BMW M5 on-car parking multiplayer. First up, we have the E28 M5, which was produced from 1984 to 1988. This was the first M5 model and was hand-built using the 535i chassis and a modified version of the M1 engine. Next, we have the E34 M5, which was produced from 1988 to 1995. This model featured a new engine and improved aerodynamics. The E39 M5 was produced from 1998 to 2003 and featured a new V8 engine and a redesigned suspension. The E60 M5 was produced from 2005 to 2010 and featured a V10 engine and a 7-speed SMG transmission. The F10 M5 was produced from 2011 to 2016 and featured a twin-turbocharged V8 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Finally, we have the current generation F90 M5, which was introduced in 2017. This model features all-wheel drive and an updated version of the twin-turbocharged V8 engine. So there you have it, the evolution of the BMW M5 on-car parking multiplayer. Which generation is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.